Are you tired of hearing, "It's just aging," every time you hurt or feel weak? You know you need to move more, but when you try, it just doesn't seem to help. Hi, I'm Lisa Workman, and I help people living with chronic pain, chronic disease, and weakness learn how to move in their bodies that feel good, safe, and effective, so they can regain confidence, remain healthy, and be physically active for life. Whether you are feeling stuck, frustrated, or unsure what to do, I'm here to help you every step of the way. I know it's frustrating when your body doesn't work the way it used to. Everyday activities are harder, you're losing energy and are tired, and you're really fearful that you're going to lose your independence long term. Maybe you've tried other things like massage or physio, and you followed your doctor's orders, but you just still feel stuck. You're tired of being tired, and you're just unsure of what to do next. That's where I come in. I combine my 25 years of experience as a clinical exercise physiologist, kinesiologist, and yoga therapist to help you reconnect with your body. Together, we build inner awareness and find ways to move that support you, not a generic plan. This is movement as medicine, tailored to you exactly where you are. If you're looking to become stronger, more capable, and a little bit more in tune with your body, click the button below to learn a little bit more about the services that I offer. You're also welcome to book a 30-minute complimentary session just with me. Let's figure out what works best for you together. You don't have to live with pain, and you don't have to do this alone. With the right support and a plan made just for you, things can get better. If you think you're ready, let's get started. Click below and take that small step towards moving better, feeling better, and having more confidence in your body. I can't wait to work with you.